Good morning, guys. I have quite possibly the biggest announcement in the history of the KJ Rainey channel, and I'm so excited to share with you guys right now. In about 4 hours, I'll be going live on YouTube to launch the brand new Copy School. It's my brand new copywriting community. I'm not kidding when I say this is the coolest thing I've ever done in my entire life. Me and the team have been working nonstop for literally a year plus to actually make this thing happen, but specifically building this thing for you guys for the past couple months, and it is insane. The guys who've already seen it are like blown away. They're like, this is incredible. I just can't wait. I can't wait for you guys to see this. And honestly, copywriting is about to get a whole nother wave. Like, this skill is honestly the most valuable thing I've ever come across when it comes to making money, especially online. And Hormozy just proved it. He just proved that copy, direct response copy, still works. Not only does it work, it printed him like $100 million in a 1 or 2 live streams. Like, what the heck, man? Copy is insane. And I can't wait, because in the next couple of years, there's going to be billions, maybe hundreds of billions, getting into this online education info product market. And how they're going to sell? By using copy. The difference is, there's a huge difference. Just sending direct response copy is getting less and less effective. What's becoming so effective, though, is providing value to your people first and then selling them with some great copy. It's exactly what Hormozy did. It's exactly what all these guys who are making hundreds of millions and going to be billionaires, if not already doing that, they're just providing value first. And so that's what our brand new school is centered around. How do you provide value to get clients using our 2 brand new outreach methods? I won't go into, there's so many other details. I won't go into it. It's freaking exciting. It uses AI in every single step because AI is powerful, but it doesn't replace your thinking with AI. We teach you how to think and then how to command the AI to do your bidding for you. And I'm freaking lit. We're going live 12 Eastern on Wednesday, August 20th today. If you're watching this later than that, then the school is already launched. You can check it out in the description. And I just want to say thank you, guys. I've been wanting to do this for so long, and I can't wait to see you in there and to just be able to help you. I mean, I know you guys like the YouTube videos, but there's only so much I can do. When I can give you a step-by-step 6-week roadmap with everything you need, how to set up every single software, processor, scripts, like, it's just a whole nother level, and I can't wait to give that to you guys. So I will see you soon in that live stream. Come hang out with us, come party. There's no plan. We're just going to literally turn up with a ton of coffee and, yeah, have some fun. So I'll see you there.